Hi, I'm Elizabeth St. Hilaire, and I want to invite you to consider joining me on Patreon. What is Patreon exactly? Most people know by now, but some people still are unsure. My Patreon page, and everyone's is different, but my Patreon page offers you as a supporter a video tutorial every week publishing on Mondays. So every Monday there's a video tutorial available for you. Sometimes they are one of a multi-part series of an in-depth lesson that maybe goes for 6 or 8 lessons or more. Sometimes they're part of a shorter series where it's only 3 lessons, and sometimes they're a single, what we call a one-off lesson that is a standalone. So there are also video blogs where I talk about the business of art or studio storage solutions, things like that. There are specific projects that are painting prompts that you can post your work in our private Facebook group and compare it and see the work that other people are doing. This month, the month of May on Patreon, I am going to be presenting a beginner lesson for a red bell pepper. The red bell pepper is a basic shape. It's a little bit more complicated than a sphere, but it is not super complicated. And this series of lessons is going to cover transferring the sketch directly from a photo, how to do that, creating an acrylic underpainting with a focus on shading, how to do that step by step, and then applying collage papers over the top with a real focus on shading for 3-dimension. There are also bazillions of gel printing videos in my Patreon, so you can go and look at those to create your collage papers if you're brand new and you don't have anything ready. So the lessons are divided by categories. So when you want to create collage papers, you just go to the gel printing category and you'll see all the videos in there on gel printing. The videos in Patreon in every category go all the way back to May of 2020. So you've got 4 years of content divided by categories such as beginner, gel printing, underpainting, collage application, etc. Easy to navigate, easy to find, 4 years of content that you have immediate access to as soon as you sign up, plus a new lesson every week. The bell pepper is going to be fabulous this month because it's for beginners. And if you're not a beginner, it reminds you about the importance of gradual shading with collage paper and how to make collage paper look like paint. And as if that were not enough, I have a promotion going on this month of May. For one person out of everyone that registers, signs up for my Patreon this month of May 2024, I'm going to draw a name to receive a full set of patterns for layering stencils. My entire set of stencils from Joggles. It's about a $70-something value. That's close to 3 months of Patreon. So some lucky person that signs up this month is going to get that, and I'm going to ship it to you. Remember, and if you didn't know, Patreon is a month-to-month subscription. So you can come for a month, check it out, see if you like it, decide it's for you. And if not, no hard feelings. You are only obligated to 1 month, 30 days. And the basic Patreon, which includes all of the material that I just explained to you, is $25 a month. And if you want to upgrade to $75 a month, you'll get an original piece of artwork from me after only 6 months. But if that's not in your budget, $25 a month is like a workshop every month and access to so much material, plus the potential of getting the stencils in the mail as your door prize. It's a win-win for everyone. So please consider signing up this month of May. I appreciate the support. It is what helps me to be able to be a full-time fine artist, the support on Patreon, as well as the support from in-person and online workshops. So I hope you win the stencils, but in the meantime, check out the red bell pepper lesson in the month of May on Patreon. It's really going to elevate your collage to another level.